fleas like oh. He got fleas like oh. Let me turn my mirror like this. Even when you start acting like a fool. Alright. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Maya J, and I'm back with another video today. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup look. And I know I haven't uploaded a video in a little bit, but I'm back today. And we're gonna go all in with the makeup because I haven't worn makeup for... It's been a while, and I have not been wearing makeup because I've been working and like doing a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'm gonna be glammed up today for no reason. So if you're ready to see how that turns out, make sure you stay tuned to see the finished look. All right, so as you already know, first step is to prime the skin. I actually forgot, and I was about to just put my eyebrows on, but I'm gonna use this primer. Let's see, look, I haven't done my makeup that long. I forgot how to do it. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. dip brow to go in and fill in my eyebrows. Wow, I'm so surprised. Usually it be taking me forever to do my eyebrows, and I just did this brow so fast.
Two hours later.
So now that my brows are finished, I'm gonna go ahead in with my concealer to clean them up, and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline one. And since today's look, I think I'm gonna do a cut crease, so I'm also gonna use my Age Rewind by Maybelline concealer because it's a little bit thicker, and I do need something that's gonna hold the colors better. And this shade is a little bit lighter, a bit lighter. I'm gonna set my brows with my Milani clear brow gel. Alright, so for my eyeshadow, the first shade that I'm gonna go in with is this shade, this kind of yellow shade. This is from the BH Studio Pro palette, which is my contour palette, but I use the shades as eyeshadow sometimes. So I'm just gonna take this brown shade from my Morphe palette, and I'm just gonna blend that out from my outer corner to my inner corner and build that up. So now I'm just mixing black with this shade here and blending that in the same place that I'll blend the brown. Using my Born This Way concealer to carve out my cut crease with my Morphe brush, the same one that I used to carve out my eyebrows. Now that I have this one carved out, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the eyeshadow, because if I try to do both at the same time, I'm going to mess up. Like, the concealer gonna be all the way up here. So the first shade that I'm gonna use from my Take Me Back to Brazil palette is this orange shade right here, and I'm just gonna be placing that right here on the lid. So since I have this orange right here, I think I am gonna start on this eye so that I don't have to keep swapping between colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and carve out this one as well, and then apply the same orange shade on this side. I think the next shade that I'm going to be using are these two pink shades. Alright, so I'm going to be going in with my Fit Me foundation, shade 330. And this is the matte shade because it is summer and I don't want my face like melting off. And yes, this is how I put it on because it does not have no pump, which is one thing I don't like about it. But it is a really good foundation and it's like a good price. It's like medium to full coverage for me. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Paris conditioner. Concealer. My L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer. Next, I'm going to go in with my Fit Me powder and set under my eyes and the rest of my face as well. Next, I'm going to go in with my contour palette, and I'm going to be using this shade here. So I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. blush, and I'm just going to apply that. So now that I have all of that on, I'm going to go in with my setting spray, and I'm just going to set my whole face. So next, I'm going to be applying my lashes, and I'm going to go do that off camera, and I'll be back when I have them on. So the lashes that I used were the ones that I ordered from Shein that I told you guys I was going to be trying out, and I like them because they feel very lightweight, but they still have like really nice length, and I don't know, they were just really easy to work with. So I'm gonna come back whenever, you know, my hair is done and I have my little outfit on, so y'all can see the finished look. So I just finished doing my hair and put on my little outfit, and as you see, this is a shirt and it has like orange and pink, which is why I did this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys leave me a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.